Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. Now today's video, or my next video, was supposed to be my pre-fall home tour, but I was not planning on making this video, so I had to put it up immediately because I have some new stuff that I have to show you. But first, let me tell you what had happened, okay? So I have a friend here on YouTube, Jamie. Her channel is Jamie Loving All Seasons. She is a newer and smaller content creator, but she has the most fire Dollar Tree hauls, okay? You have to go check her out because she finds these things that I did not even know existed, okay? Like, they're not on the website, they've never been at Dollar Tree before. When she shows them, I'm like, that's not from Dollar Tree. I don't believe you, but they're from Dollar Tree. They've just been birthed from Dollar Tree this week. I don't know. I know that her and I are not that far from each other. We're not close, but we're not far. I actually happen to be sort of in the vicinity of her today because my fiance and I were traveling to purchase some alcohol for our wedding to a place that we don't have in our town. So I thought, why not give it a try? Let me try a Dollar Tree while I'm in that area, and I found some of this new stuff. So thank you so much, Jamie, for your awesome videos. Everybody please go check her out, and let's just get into it. So I do have a couple things that are not fall that I just wanted to show you guys. I did get this book. This is Edgar and Lucy. Don't know what it's about, literally don't care what it's about. Typically I do try to pick up books that I'm actually interested in, but I ordered a shelf, as I said in my last video, and I want to decorate it with some books, and I'm just looking for some simple, neutral books. And when you take the cover off of this one, it is exactly that, and it's a big, nice quality hardback book. So I grabbed that. I also grabbed 2 packs of these gold straws. They have these in silver and red and maybe another color, I'm not 100% sure. I don't think these are brand spanking new, but for the longest time Dollar Tree only had like a couple kinds of paper straws, but now they have these. So I grabbed those for a birthday party. And then the only other thing that I grabbed that is not fall or Halloween related, but I think this is new, you guys will have to let me know if you have seen this before, but it is this adorable little cup with the cute little face on it, the lips, the eyelashes. It's not very big. I'm like looking around to see if I could compare it to something. I happen to have a bottle of nail polish on my coffee table. It's very small, so I think like makeup brushes would potentially topple over in this, but if you guys have seen this, let me know. I think a little succulent in here would be so cute for like a beauty room or on your vanity or something like that. So I wanted to show that to you guys for sure. So the only new sign that this Dollar Tree that I went to had is this one here. It says pumpkins, cider, and hay rides, and I am just so impressed with this. I've got to find a way to incorporate like some of this or all of it into my decor. I was thinking like you could actually break this apart and use this somewhere and use these two at another place. I'm not sure, but I love the colors that they picked. This does not look like a Dollar Tree product, and there's no glitter, and that's probably why it doesn't look Dollar Tree, because it actually looks like, you know, a little bit higher end than what we're used to from Dollar Tree. The colors are on point, so definitely keep your eye out for this. I know that Bargain Bethany also found some new stuff as well. I know you guys all know who she is. So I can't remember if some of these things I saw in Bargain Bethany's video or Jamie's video, but there's like a new cider sign, a new truck sign, just a bunch of new signs that look really good. So I wish they would have come out sooner, because I know a lot of us have gone out and purchased some signs, and like you only need so many, and a lot of us would have gotten like these signs first before some of the ones that they have out now at most of the stores. So anyways, besides the point, moving on. I don't think these 2 items are new. They may be, but you guys will have to let me know about these. And they are 2 mugs. This one says pumpkin spice and everything nice. They are double-sided. And this one says happy pumpkin spice latte season. I'm pretty sure that these are from last year, but I grabbed a couple just because maybe I can make a Dollar Tree like tiered tray video for you guys or something like that. But moving right along, I found these little velvet pumpkins. I got this orange color. It's not, what kind of orange would you call this? I guess pumpkin orange. It's not no, it's not pumpkin orange. It's like a yellowy sort of an orange. These are just so stinking cute. I don't know if these come in any other colors, but I took one out of the packaging so you can see just how itty bitty, oh my gosh. You can see just how itty bitty it is. Look at it, it's so tiny. I like can't even hold it in my fingers properly. I do have chubby fingers though, so don't have the best grip, I guess. But anyways, just so little itty bitty. How cute would this be with a glittered stem if you just put some Mod Podge and glitter on there? So if you guys have seen these in any other colors, let me know, because I feel like the crafting potential with these is just unlimited. And if they come in other colors, Hobby Lobby, you're going out of business, okay? Because this costs $1 and at your store these cost like $5 or $6. So yeah. I also found a couple new tins. These have been in Jamie's video, I'm pretty sure. So the first one is this one that says Farm Fresh Pumpkins. It has a faux galvanized metal background with the burnt orange buffalo check and the cute little pumpkin. The font's adorable. It's a good size. Definitely could put like one of those mini mums in here. You know, like the ones that are like $2 or $3 randomly at Walmart or Lowe's or whatever. So this one's cute. I think there is one more that I don't have. You'll have to check out Jamie's video or Bargain Bethany to see what the other one is, because honestly I don't remember at this point. But I do know that this one was my favorite when I saw them being hauled in her video. So this one also says Farm Fresh Pumpkins. It's definitely that modern farmhouse sort of a look with like the very simple black, I guess you could call it a plaid, and just a little pop of orange. So stinking cute. I will definitely be using these with mums in them if they will fit, and I think they should if I get the smaller ones. So you could do a lot with these, you guys. You could also just paint these if you wanted, because I don't know that Dollar Tree has done buckets of this size in the past. I guess they have with their little flower planters, but why would you want to paint these? They're just so cute. Girl. There are so many new pumpkins, little ceramic pumpkins at Dollar Tree. They're all just a little hair bigger than they have been in the past, and they are so good. Did I need another pumpkin? Cue the peanut gallery saying you already have so many pumpkins. Okay, glad we all got that out of our system. Now let's get into it. So the first one that I got is this one here. This one says Grateful, and it has this beautiful wreath in the gorgeous fall colors around it. It is a brown stem, leans like a little bit orangey brown, so very on trend, and the pumpkin itself is white. I need to wash my hands after touching this because it feels a little, I don't know, I don't really love how it feels. I don't know if that's just the paint or if something spilled on it, but they also have, oh my gosh, I grabbed two of the same one. So this one also says Grateful. My fiance was literally like, aren't those the same thing? And I'm like, no, not at all. There's one that says Thankful. I thought I grabbed it. I was not looking and I grabbed two Gratefuls. Wow, what an epic fail. But it looked basically the exact same. So, but the other one that they have that I think all of you guys are gonna love, and this will match a lot of people's decor this year because I know a lot of people are doing this as a theme, and it is this one with the sunflower on it. Can you guys see that pretty well? I hope you can. I am filming on a cell phone, so the quality is not top notch. Okay, so anyways, this is so cute. This would go well with like the sunflower mugs that they have at Dollar Tree, if your store still happens to have those, or if you got your hands on them, or just really anything. I kind of love how it kind of has like 70s vibes or something. Just like kind of, I don't want to say retro, but just really love the look of this. So I was happy to see all of those new pumpkins. I did find two more new pumpkins, and I don't know if there's another color. I almost think that there might be, because Dollar Tree normally does at least 3 colors of something. So they are these two here. They're just like really simple, clean, classic pumpkin. So this one is like a bright pumpkin-y orange with the orange stem, and this one is you know, that like tealy blue sort of a color. For size comparison, these are the exact same size. I wish I had another Dollar Tree pumpkin to show you. I feel like these are just a hair bigger than like the normal little ceramic pumpkins that we're used to. So that was it for new fall. I do have a couple new little Halloween knickknacks. They did not have any of the Halloween signs out that I am looking for, those really cool kind of like vintage retro inspired signs that I just cannot wait to see. The problem is that I asked the lady at the register if she happened to have them, and I just missed them in the store, and she said, no, I'm putting them all out on Monday or Tuesday. And I'm like, I wish she didn't tell me that, because this store is about 40 minutes away from me, and I know I will be tempted to drive 40 minutes to find these signs, which is absolutely ridiculous. So I don't have any of those, but I do, like I said, have some new little trinkets. So first, I'm trying to gather these all up so that I can show you them all at once. I found these little pumpkins. They all say boo. I'll show you them one at a time, and they're little tea light holders. So it comes in black with the white outline and the gold stem. It comes in orange with the white outline and the gold stem. And then it also comes in white with the black outline and the gold stem. And these are just so cute. I got all three of them, knowing darn well I don't need a single one. Do I need any of this? No, I do not. But I am thinking of putting like a little giveaway or a couple little giveaways together, because I know not everybody is going to be able to go out shopping right now, whether it's you're trying to stay home or you just, I don't know, maybe you lost your job or you're having to really watch your finances or something this year. So I would like to do that. I don't have the details just yet. But that's why I've picked up like kind of a lot from Dollar Tree. A lot of it I've purchased to give away, for a giveaway, and also to friends and family members. So next up, this is definitely creepy but so cool. They have these this year. You guys will have to let me know if they had these last year or if they're brand new, but they are these little hands. This reminds me of the Addams Family, and there's a spot for a tea light here. This also came in black, and I'm gonna put some in-store footage. I think I just took video of like things that I'm showing you, but like the other colors that they came in. So I just thought this was so cool, and it's big. It's like almost the size of a real hand. So definitely a substantial piece. My fiance was like, oh, you could flip that over and do something with it like it's holding something. So when you start to see that in DIYs, know where it came from. It came from my fiance. He is such a creative person. This next item is so cool. I feel like a lot of my girly girls are going to love this. This would be adorable paired with this little girl. And it is this tea light holder in pink and gold with the skull and the spiders. I almost wish that it was like flowers instead of spiders, because you could maybe leave it out all year. I know that was like a trend a long time ago to like always have a skull out. I don't know if it still is, but how pretty. And there's like a lot of details. Like there's a crack in the skull. The spiders are in gold, like I said. They're not painted too badly or anything like that. It's just really, really nice. And how cute. Could do like a cute little display with these. So this comes in black. I'll make sure to insert the clip of that so you guys can see. And then the last few items that I got are these little light up decor pieces. So this first one says Wicked, and it has the witch. It's kind of like a purple theme, so I know some people do witch themes, and these do light up. They change colors. I kind of wish they would just do like a one color. At first when it was just in red, I was like, oh, that's so cool. And then I mean, it's fine. Changing colors is fine. So there's that one. There's also this one with the cute little ghost that says boo. This one also changes colors. So adorable. And then my favorite, because this one looks so vintage and retro, it is this. It says Happy Halloween Look at the stars at the bottom. Oh my gosh. I'll turn it on for you. You'll probably be able to see it better when, yeah, like you can see those stars. How cool. Oh my goodness, I love this one. I have to use this somewhere. I will probably pop out this and put my own tea light in. I did that, what just fell out? Something just fell out. I don't know what the heck that is, but last year they had things like this. There was like a little house and like a little coffin maybe, I don't remember. It had color changing lights. I popped this out and I can't remember if I had to try to make the hole a little bit bigger, but I just put one of the like flameless tea lights in its place so that it would still light up, but just have like not the color changing effect because I just prefer like one solid color light. But yeah, so let me know, you guys, what do you think of this haul? Are you excited about any of this stuff? Have you seen any of it before? I was just so impressed. I feel like Dollar Tree is just going up and up and up and just improving their home decor game, if you will. I can't wait to see what is coming out for Christmas, although I'm not even there yet. Just like itching for fall and Halloween, so I'm not even, you know, I'm not trying to rush past that yet, but I really do think Christmas is going to be chef's kiss this year at Dollar Tree. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoy haul videos, decorating videos, fall content, Halloween content, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. Turn your bell notifications on. That little tiny bell is super important because it will actually notify you then when I upload videos as I upload them. And thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope to catch you in a future video. Bye now.